A YouTube creator gained 1 lakh subscriber on YouTube in just 3 months and his earning increased from $1 per month to $5,000 per month only by uploading animated stories on YouTube. Today, I will show you the secret recipe to earn thousands of dollars from YouTube. And to create a successful YouTube animation channel, you only need 2 things. A. Good quality animations, and 2. Understanding of YouTube analytics. So in today's video, I will show you how to make the best quality animated stories using Autodraft AI and earn thousands of dollars from YouTube. In today's video, I will explain all the features in detail which are available on Autodraft AI, like AI backgrounds with layer using reference images, sketches, storyboards, AI characters as in text to animated characters, and much more. How to upload your own character, how to generate AI voiceovers with emotions, AI animations without rigging an editor to compile everything in one place with expression, lip syncs, and many more controls related to animation. So let's get started. To use Autodraft AI, you just simply go to the internet and search Autodraft AI. Then click on the first link that you see. Once clicked, you will land on the Autodraft AI homepage. To log in, you have 3 options: Gmail, Facebook, and email and a password. You can choose either of these as per your choice and just log in. Once you have logged in, you will land on the project page where you will see this option, Animation Studio. You click on it and choose an aspect ratio for your project like this. Once the project is created, you will land on the animation canvas right here. On the left hand side, you will see various different AI tools. There are characters, there are assets, there are an option to upload your own assets and upload your own audio. There are image generation options using image to image as an image as a reference. You can also find text to video and image to video option here. Now, this is AI voiceovers. Here you can find 500 plus AI voices which you can choose and generate. In addition to this, there is voice cloning, AI sound effect generation, and so on. There is also an option of AI characters where you can choose a specific structure, then generate a prompt and generate the animated characters. Once your videos are ready, you can also generate great quality thumbnails from the AI thumbnail feature. Now, on the right hand side, you will see various different controls like lip sync, expression, eye blink, and various effects, transition, and etc. Here you can also see copyright-free background music library for your animation in the audio section. So for creating animated contents, we will follow this structure. First, AI voiceovers. Second, AI backgrounds. Third, adding all the characters, their animations, their expressions, etc. Fourth, adding sound effects, visual effects, camera, and background music. Fifth, export in 4K. And sixth, and create a thumbnail for our animation and upload it on YouTube. First, let's talk about AI voiceover generation. In AI voice, you get 2 options, text to speech and speech to speech. Text to speech is easy and fast, but sometimes might lack emotions in complex dialogues. So you can also choose speech to speech in that case. Let us generate a few dialogues with text to speech just like this shown on your screen. Now, quickly add them to the timeline like this. From speech to speech, you can record your character dialogues using your phone and microphone and upload it like this, and then just simply click generate. Now, interesting part, you can also clone your own voice like this. Upload a short sample of your voice, give it a name, and just clone. You can also generate sound effects, which I will show you with the video generation feature later in this video. Now, let's check the AI background generation. So first, you just go onto the internet, find a suitable reference image that you are looking for based on your script or your story. Now, once you find a suitable reference image, either you can take a screenshot of that image or simply download that image, then upload that particular reference image in the image to reference image section, just like this shown on your screen. Once uploaded, you can choose an aspect ratio. Then there are 3 options. First, image stylization. Second, storyboard. Third, sketch image. We will choose image stylization here. Click on generate and a prompt will analyze the reference image and give you a prompt. And once the prompt is generated, you simply click on generate and you will see the output getting generated down below here as shown on your screen. Now, for sketch to image, you can find a suitable sketch from the internet or you can draw your own sketch. Then it is the same process. You take the reference image, upload it here and choose an aspect ratio, choose sketch to image mode this time and confirm generate the prompt, and then you will hit the generate button. Similarly, we will try with the storyboard too. Now, to generate storyboard to image, you take a very rough sketch of your background, just like this one that I'm taking. It does not have a lot of defined lines, just basic structure. Then you choose storyboard to image, confirm, generate a prompt, and then you get the final output. As you can see, these are the outputs. This is the before image and this is the after image. After this, image stylization, storyboard and sketch to image. Now let us try to create backgrounds with layers. So to create backgrounds with layers, all you need to do is just take different parts of your background, like a tree or a building and a sky and so on. Then we will simply take their reference images separately, perform image stylization on these images, and once you are done with the image stylization of these part particularly, we will remove their backgrounds. Now, once removed, you can add them to the animation canvas and that is it. Your layered background is ready to use. Now let us generate an animated background. Let us take this static train reference image as shown on your screen to perform image stylization on it, and then click on edit button from its top right corner. And here you will see various options like AI video, background remover, eraser and day to night or night to day. We will select AI video generation, quickly add a prompt like this, like train passing, and hit generate. Meanwhile, this is generating. Let us generate the sound effects for this particular scene. Now we'll go to the AI voice, select sound effect, write a prompt which says train passing and hit generate. Let us add our moving train to the timeline and now add sound effect on top of it. Isn't it cool and very cinematic, right? Now let us check the AI animation. Simply go to the character section, search for the kind of character that you are looking for and simply click on any of these characters and you will see hundreds of animation samples like these ones. So no need to rig any of your characters. You will be able to find all these characters animated directly. Now simply take any of these characters, search for the animation that you're looking for, and then you will place your character accordingly, and you can also set it up in your timeline. Then you can simply click on the option like flip. You will be able to flip your character from left to right or right to left, and then there is also an option of path. Path will be used when you are creating animations like walking animations or running animation. Then your character will walk from point A to point B. So if you click on path, your point B will appear and you will place it to your point B, and then you simply be able to see your character walking from point A to point B. Next, we will see AI character generations. AI character generation, you will get multiple different character structure. Here we will keep on adding more structure in future. Now you choose a specific character structure. Generate a prompt like this. Now once the prompt is generated, you will also be able to make some changes to it. And then you simply hit generate. On the right hand side, you will see your character generations and the history character is generated. You will be able to see this. If you like, click on next, and if you don't like, you can discard and regenerate. Now, after you click next, you will be able to see customization option where there are eyes bags, there are hands, there are lips option. Then in editor, every part of this particular character's body is editable. So accordingly, you can choose and customize your character the way you want. You can click on the hand icon and pan your character. You can also switch on the skeleton mode to see exactly how character is fitting. If there are some parts, if you're uploading and they are not perfectly setting up in this particular bone structure, then you will have to see it and adjust it accordingly. In preview, you will be able to see all your character related animation, if they are looking good or not. Then you save your character. Your character will be visible in your character section. You simply click on it and all these animation will directly be applied on your AI character. So it is a very simple way of generating text to animated character. Now we will see this AI character in action and it looks pretty good to me. Now let us see how you can upload your own characters. To upload your own characters, simply go to our character section and click on the edit button from the top. And an editor will open here. You will be able to replace all your character parts with this particular character's part. Accordingly, you can replace our template characters with your own characters. All animations will perfectly fit into your character. You will also be able to see it in preview if it is fitting well or not. So each of the body parts of this particular character is editable. So one by one, you can upload your character's part on our template character and your own character will be added and animated just like this. Now we will see how to edit the template characters we already have. If you just want to modify a few things like clothes or body proportion, then all you need to do is just go to our character, click on edit and download the part which you want to edit. I'm downloading all hand related parts. I'm downloading the torso. Now I'll be able to edit these parts in any other software. We will also add these editing features in AutoDraft itself, so stay tuned. Now, once edited, all you need to do is just click the character part and then you simply upload the edited part right here. So we added the torso. Now we are just replacing that torso with this one. Similarly, you can edit each and every part of this particular character and then you will get a new character. You will be able to see it in your previews. Once ready, you simply save the characters and all these animation will be applied on your character just like that. Your edited template character is now ready. Now we will show you how to change the clothes. We simply go to the character, click on edit button and then you download the specific character parts which you want to modify or change the clothing of. So I have downloaded torso and hand related parts. Then I'll take these parts into any other software and edit the clothing structure and so on and so forth. And once edited, I will upload their PNGs and replace their PNGs with our existing template characters PNG. So you got yourself a brand new character just by downloading the template character parts and editing in any of your softwares. You can see it in preview. All parts are fitting perfectly as expected. And this character will be saved and this will stay private to you. Nobody else will be able to see your particular characters. So now we will see this particular character in action. We will add the running animation. Set it up in the timeline, create a point B, and your character is ready to run. Now let us check various character controls. Add a background, add a character, select it, and you will see multiple different options like eye blink, expressions, lip sync, secondary and tertiary animation of your characters. Let us take the ideal animation where the character is just standing. Once you select it, go to the controls on the right. There is an option of speaking. You enable that. Then you enable eye blink. Now the character is talking and blinking is happening. We will do the same process for expressions. You go to expressions, we have 40 plus expressions added. You can select any of these, apply changes, and the expression is also added. Now we will see the secondary animation. So what we have applied directly from the character is the primary animation. Now let us see the secondary animation of hands and legs. So this is the secondary animation. So first is idle secondary is the hand movement. Now we also have legs related movement in your tertiary animation. We will just simply apply it and you will be able to see secondary and tertiary animation applied to it. In animation controls, we have seen flip and path. Now we will see how to add props in your characters after adding the animation on canvas. You click on props from here and then you will be able to see a lot of different template props that we have added. You can choose from these or you can also choose to upload your own prop. You will set your particular prop in your character's hand like this, left or right. Then you will be able to preview your prop in action. Then your prop is added to your character. Isn't it very simple and easy? Tell me. Now we will see all the timeline related features where we have camera, layer duplicates and split option. For example, if you're starting an establishing shot and want to zoom in till the specific shot or character, then we will choose camera feature. Set up point A and point B like this and boom, the camera is rolling. Now, if you're creating a conversation scene between two people, let's say the scene is of 10 seconds, then 5 seconds, one character will speak and the other character will be idle and vice versa. Now take your cursor on the 5th second and apply a split just like this. And then you will enable the speaking, lip syncing according from the controls after selecting the specific part. So here I am selecting the character with expression and lip sync and I will skip the other one. And then I'll set the other character with expression and lip sync and then you will simply apply changes and then you will see this particular character is speaking and the other is just standing idle. So this way you will be able to create conversation scenes using your timeline related features where there is a split and duplicate and so on. Now we will see how to remove the green screen in Autodraft AI. You will simply find a green screen video from the internet, upload in the asset and add some character and try to create a scene with it. So I've taken this particular character. Now I'm taking the ideal animation. Then I will add some expressions to it. I will set the timeline according to my character and green screen. Let me add a fear expression. Since we have a tiger, so this is with green screen. Now we remove the green screen. We simply click on the chroma key from the top and a green screen will be removed. Now we have tiger properly set on the scene. Let us maybe add a background and see how this particular scene looks. So let me add this background and then just add a layer. So the background will go at the bottom and it looks good, isn't it? Now let us check the vehicle. Simply add a vehicle to your background like this, then click on vehicles from the control and add all 4 people in the seat like this. Next, set a path for your vehicle from point A to point B. And that is it. Your vehicle with characters are in motion. Now let me show you the effects. First, I will add my background to the timeline and then effects from here. I will take one character and accordingly set it up on our timeline. Effects are very important in your animation to give it a more cinematic feel, right? Here we have multiple different options. There are fire related options, there are lightning related options, rain and so on. I'm taking the fire one here. Effect is added on the timeline. You can increase and decrease the duration of it. So I'm increasing the duration of fire up to 9 seconds. And then the next effect which I'm adding is of dust or maybe a snowfall type. Now I'll set it up from 9 seconds onwards. So the fire effect will be there till 9 seconds and the other from 9 seconds onwards. I'm adding another effect. Actually, I'm adding 2 more effects. First one is of lightning and the other one is of rain or dust. I'll increase the duration for the character and the background and maybe some duration for fire to kind of overlap the effect. Now I am replacing my character's subsequent animation using a split feature. In split, I'm replacing the fear animation. I'll split and delete the last part like this. Then I'll add a subsequent animation of the same character which is happy or cheerful because now it is rain. Right? So I will choose this character. I'll take this particular animation which will directly be set on the same character layer on the timeline. Let us see the effect in action. It looks really wonderful. In addition to effects, we also have various filters and transition which you can use just like this. Cool. So now we are ready with our animation and we will download it in 4K, 2K and 720p like this. Now that our video is ready to upload, let us create a suitable thumbnail just like this. To do so, let us add the character, their expressions, effects and more. Then click on capture frame. From here, go to AI thumbnail, add a prompt describing the look and feel of the thumbnail, write a title, choose the style. Here you have multiple options, then click generate and in only a few seconds, you will see a very high quality and high CTR thumbnail ready in just few seconds. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope our tools will help you bring your story to life. If you want us to make tutorials on any specific topics, then let us know in the comment section. Also, if you need any kind of help with the tools or so don't forget to join our community. Link is in the description. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.